Can a candle change your life? Hey, I'm Kacee, and I'm the owner of Angel Light, and I'm passionate about making the best candles. My wax is 100% natural, completely soot-free. It's been a painstaking, highly secretive process, but I want to sneak peek. First, I gather fresh local beeswax and combine that with 100% natural coconut wax. Each family of candles is unique and comes in their own ever-changing, customized jar. All Angel Light Candles fragrances are carefully selected and tested. All fragrances must be skin safe and smell like heaven. I mix all of my ingredients together, melting them into a pot of sweet nectar. It marinates for about 5 hours. Then I carefully pour and pray blessing over each candle and customer. And sometimes they come with 2 wicks. Why? Shh, just receive your double portion. Each candle is given a fresh haircut, measured, weighed, powdered, and vigorously trained. Kept hydrated, because that's important. Basted in proprietary ingredients, massaged with Himalayan rose petals. For the ones that get out of line, they are disciplined with Q-tips, soaked in the joyous tears of a newly adopted puppy. Gentle, but firm. They are pampered with steaming bubble baths because they are worth it, and so are you. To top it all off, every candle is reminded and affirmed of who they are, so they can bring you the joy you deserve. Can a candle change your life? Well, your answer awaits at angellight.online. Order yours today.